Hello and welcome to my channel. I am here today with a mini Marshalls haul. I found two high-end products. Both are by Too Faced. And I just purchased these a couple of hours ago, so I wanted to quickly get this video out to you while there was still a possibility that you could find them before they're all sold out. This first one came with a Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and it also came with a melted matte lipstick. And by the way, this particular box was $29.99 at Marshalls. Okay, right here is the case that the palette and a planner comes in. Okay, here's the planner right here. And this is a pretty cool planner. It comes with stickers. It has to-do list pages. Goals, a page for your goals, and then for each month it has a how-to guide. So for each month it'll give you tips on makeup looks. Okay, right here I'm going to show you the month of June. This is the how-to guide for the look for the month of June. Okay, next I'm going to show you the month of October. This says Wickedly Beautiful. I'm just here for the boo, so I'm guessing this makeup look how-to guide is for Halloween. And then after this I'm going to show you the month of December very quick. And this one says Merry Christmas and Jingle Bells is what it says for this makeup how-to guide. The planner is removable out of the case, and the case does have a mirror and a holder for your pen or pencil. Okay, next I'm gonna open up the eyeshadow palette. Ooh, pretty colors. Look at these colors. Pretty mattes and shimmers. And then at the bottom it looks as if I have a bronzer, a blush, and a highlighter. Okay, moving on to the next box. This one was $24.99 at Marshalls. And this one is 3 small palettes, and it also has a Better Than Sex mascara. And it comes in a carrying case also. I have way more makeup at home by Too Faced is what the case says. Okay, first thing you find in the case is a how-to guide. Too Faced is pretty good with giving how-to guides. I like that. Okay, each individual palette has a name. This one is called Super Fun Night, and it has a picture of bottles being popped. Popping bottles. Okay, maybe that's New Year's Eve. Okay, and this one has a picture of a unicorn, and this one has hearts. It looks like it could be Valentine's Day. Okay, this is the one called I Believe in Pink. That looks like a blush at the bottom, and these are the colors. The next one is this one with the unicorn, Natural Beauty. Yeah, these are more natural colors, and that looks like a bronzer at the bottom. Okay, up next is the last eyeshadow palette. This one is called Super Fun Night. Ooh, such pretty colors, and it comes with a cute little highlighter at the bottom. Guys, please let me know in my comments if you find any of these items, these high-end makeup items that I have in my hauls, in my TJ Maxx and Marshalls haul. I would love to know. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.